Former Obama senior advisor David Axelrod spoke with CNN's Michael Smerconish this morning about President Trump's rolling back his predecessor's legacy. Between the announcement about healthcare subsidies and the Iran deal, Axelrod told that Trump is clearly motivated by trying to obliterate Barack Obama's presidency. He defended the former president and said Obama will go down in history with very positive terms before making this observation. There's some other thing at a play that I don't have the qualification to analyze that clearly motivates him, because every time he talks about anything that President Barack Obama did, he talks about it in the very caustic terms as he is jealous or envious of the esteem of which Barack Obama left the office.